moving forward, let me tell you a little bit things about Poisson distribution curve. Probability of an event to occur in a given time frame. Independent event. Mutually exclusive. Only one side of the variable is known. So Poisson distribution curve simply is used for the events whose chances of happening is very less. Let us suppose the chances of getting a printing mistake while printing a newspaper, chances of printing mistake. You know the number of patients visiting a trauma center after a head injury, but can you tell me the number of patients not visiting the trauma center after head injury? For these type of observations, we have to consider a Poisson distribution. Number of patients visiting trauma center after head injury. You know the number of MBBS graduates writing the PG entrance exam, but can you tell me the number of MBBS graduate not writing the PG entrance exam? So for this you have to consider the Poisson distribution curve. Number of students writing PG entrance after MBBS. You know the number of patients visiting my OPD on Monday, but can you tell me the number of patients not visiting my OPD on Monday? For these type of rare events, we have to consider the Poisson distribution curve. This is a core statistic topic. If you can't understand Poisson distribution curve, no need to worry. The main concept you have to master is Gaussian distribution or normal distribution curve. So this was for today. All the best. Give your 100% and keep rocking.